Hey y'all, Carrie here, and I'm back with another video.
It's about damn time.
I'm super excited because I just got my hands on a pair of my favorite pants. If you're a 90s kid like me, then they were probably your favorite too. Of course, me being me, I have to be extra and do a look to match. So let's go ahead and get started and make this face look snatched. I bought a new pair of trips which were huge back in the day. I'm talking about the ones with the huge legs and the chains everywhere. I think the last time I had a pair was like back in 2006. My mom quit buying them for me because she used to hate the way they dragged on the ground.
That's tacky.
I remember them being like 60 bucks back then, which is a lot for pants, but it's a lot cheaper than they are now. You know, this year I decided to start doing more stuff for me. You know, do what I want to do and buy what I want to buy. You know, I've been going through some stuff the past couple of years and I haven't really taken care of myself or paid attention to my wants and needs. So I'm trying to do more of that.
Do you, boo-boo? Do you, boo-boo?
I always thought it was crazy how the older you get, the more you're expected to drop all the stuff you enjoyed as a kid. Yeah, I'm 31 and I still like anime, so what? Did you show your kid Attack on Titan? I don't think so. Although mine did sneak in here to watch it a couple of days ago. I did tell her it wasn't for kids, but you know, she decided she was interested. I mean, I was watching stuff like Ren and Stimpy as a kid, so I can't really say nothing.
Happy, happy, joy, joy.
She's been doing good for the most part. She got the Rona back in January. One thing I've always admired about her is even if she feels like crap, you would almost never know it because she always has a good outlook on stuff. Kids will definitely teach you something if you pay attention. I've definitely learned a lot from mine over the years. Work's going pretty well too. Just accepted a new position in my department.
Yes! Yes!
Honestly, it's pretty much the same thing I do now. It's just I get to do it via chat instead of on the phone. Some of y'all might not believe this, but working on the phone all day is kind of hard.
No! No!
But honestly, I enjoy it. You know, I get to work from home. I get to learn stuff, so it's right in my wheelhouse.
Damn!
Let's see how well this goes because I have not done winged liner in a minute. Not bad, now I gotta match it. Not too bad for it only being the second time in a month. Figured I'd have more cleaning up to do. I am very glad I managed to do that without getting it all over my face. If I could manage not to stab myself in the eye again, that would be great. Alright y'all, it's time for lashes, and today I'm using my favorite dark lashes from my friends over at Penelope's Tears, and these are in the style Beloved. I'm gonna go throw these on real quick and I'll be right back. Melissa, my dear, beautiful lashes as always. They're perfect. They're not heavy or anything.
Well, hello, beautiful.
I was just watching one of the latest Try Guy videos and they're doing Brazilian waxing and it went exactly how you expect it to go.
I hate you! Stop smiling, you jerk!
I don't think I could do it because I'm shy and I'm hairy. All up in your business, ripping hair off. Nah, I'm good. Folks that do it are brave as hell because I know it hurts like a bitch. I really want to get one of those pots, but I don't know which one to get. If y'all have any recommendations, comment them down below for me, will ya? I do have someone that does it for me. Unfortunately, it costs a little bit more than I can feasibly pay right now, so.
I only have like $3.50, so it's hard. Super hard.
I started actively saving up to try to buy a house, so trying to put as much towards that as I can. Well, if I knew how expensive things were gonna be, I would have started saving when I was a kid. I honestly wish I could build a house. I have all these like real cookie cutter places over here because you know I live in the suburbs. If I ever had the chance, that's what I'd do. Alright y'all, here's the finished look. 16-year-old me would be completely just blown away. Honestly, I feel like I haven't felt in a very long time. Like I feel more like me than I have in a while. But yeah, let me know what y'all think down below. If y'all made any splurges recently or anything good's happened in y'all life, let me know down below. Brag about yourself, I want to hear about it. Thank you so much for joining me today and I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.